Do you sometimes feel that life is just too tough? Why me? Why is this gonna happen now? I've been there, I just experienced this, and I want to share how I navigate through a tough situation. I learned two things. First of all, if anything is heavy, drop it. It took me a long while to understand that, a lot of failures, but really what this means is that if it's heavy and you push through, you're gonna make mistakes. So better leave it till you have greater amount of energy, and then you can push through better and more easily, and you get better results. If something is really hard, if you're being challenged and you just say, why me? Like you really wanted a different situation right now. Like for example, I needed to do some accounting stuff, but the family situation didn't allow it. And here's what I learned from one of my mentors is that rather than going against nature, go with nature. What that means is that if you go, or when you go with nature, there is no stress. The first thing is obviously that you get aware about it, and then you let go of your ideal plan and accept what is. When you don't accept what is, if you want to push through your own plan or your own agenda, then you don't accept what is, and you're going against nature, and that causes stress, frustration, you get annoyed, and really the next thing that you're going to work on, you're going to spend too much energy on it. You don't get the results that you desire. So really pause. Go with nature, again, not against nature. And if anything is happening, if everything is heavy, drop it. I hope this is useful and helpful for you. Let me know in comments what you think.